Did you know that there is actually no such thing as empty space? Have you ever thought about what occupies the majority of the universe? Well, the answer lies within the mysteries of dark energy. Dark energy is defined as a theoretical repulsive force that counteracts gravity and causes the universe to expand at an accelerating rate. And it makes up nearly 68% of space, which is quite a bit. It all started in 1929 with the American astronomer Edwin Hubble and his study on supernovae that determined that the universe was expanding. Then, in the 1990s, astrophysicists and the Hubble Space Telescope determined that the universe was not in fact slowing down as it was previously thought to have. After observing a distant supernovae, scientists realized that the universe was expanding much faster than it once was. The previous theory was that universal expansion was slowing down due to gravity. Since this was proved to be no longer the case, scientists named the mystery of the cause of this expansion dark energy. There are many different theories as to how dark energy works, but some include dark energy being a property of space, or it being a new kind of dynamical energy fluid or field. And the last one is that Einstein's theory of gravity is not correct. Now let's dive a little deeper into the theories and explanations of dark energy. Have you ever wondered if there is just a definitive amount of space, or if more space can come into existence? Well, according to the discoveries of Einstein, more space can be created. The first theory is that dark energy is a property of space. In addition, in Einstein's theory of general relativity that discusses the cosmological constant, it includes that empty space carries its own energy. Since this energy is a property of space, it would not run out as expansion occurs, it would actually increase. The entire idea of the cosmological constant is not fully understood as to why it's even there. So, scientists aren't even sure how or why it would have the right value to cause the increased rate of expansion. So that theory is kind of unclear. Let's talk about how space would gain this energy needed for the expansion. It would be due to the quantum theory of matter. This refers to the idea that empty space is made up of temporary virtual particles that disappear and recur. Unfortunately, this theory led to another dead end because it was disproved. When physicists tried to calculate the energy from this theory that would be given to empty space, the number was extremely askew. On to another theory for how the universe is expanding. This theory is due to a new kind of dynamical energy fluid or field. This would be defined as something that is present in all of space and that differs from the effect of normal matter and energy in space. It is sometimes referred to as quintessence. This could serve as a theory of dark energy's existence, but likely not more than that, as scientists don't know how it works, interacts, or why it's there. This theory is also relatively imprecise, so on to the last theory. The last theory actually disproves Einstein's original theory of gravity. So you could say this one is a bit of a stretch. But on the chance that it is correct, then it would change the way that we perceive the apparent expansion of the universe and help define whether dark energy is a part of a whole new separate gravity theory or not. It would also affect how matter and clusters within galaxies acted. Although, if this were the case, many more questions would need to be answered due to the fact that Einstein's theory still explains many other things in the universe. A new theory would have to include all of the proven parts of Einstein's theory, and also fit in to prove how the expansion occurs due to dark energy. As you could tell, dark energy still proves to be quite the enigma. There are various theories that can partially account and serve as an explanation for the discovery of the apparent expansion of the universe, yet don't quite grasp the entirety of it. They don't fully explain how dark energy works, likely due to the lack of substantial research and data on the topic. Most theories have huge discrepancies in some way or another that don't help to refine any theories. So, that is the mystery of dark energy, and thank you for watching.